Dr. Jennifer Patterson. I'm an osteopathic physician here at Philadelphia Integrative Medicine, and I practice integrative and functional medicine. As an osteopathic physician, I practice hands-on medical evaluation and treatment of my patients. And so that can treat a number of conditions from headache to body aches to autonomic nervous system dysfunction, concussion, back pain. GI discomfort is a huge part of what we address, especially when you bring in the functional medicine approach. A lot of people have GI discomfort, and everything that we do and everything that we live and experience in this world is held within our body. So some questions that I often ask my patients and just kind of how to think about our bodies in space is, what is the story that your body is telling you? And so that is expressed physically, that's expressed emotionally, that's expressed cognitively. And when you walk in through that door to see me, I'm assessing all of it. I'm trained in osteopathic manipulation, osteopathic medicine, I'm family medicine trained, and I also practice medical hypnosis and functional and integrative medicine. And so when you see me, you see all aspects of me. I can't really separate the pieces. So it's a true integrative experience. I see my own patients here at Philadelphia Integrative Medicine, and then I also see patients here who see the other clinicians. And so perhaps patients will see some of our other clinicians for functional medicine, and then they see me for osteopathic manipulation. What we often find is that treating the whole body really is treating the entire body, spirit, mind, body, as it all integrates together.